Are you a new mom looking to get back into shape after pregnancy? This video is for you. Many women struggle with post-pregnancy weight and want to regain their fitness level safely. First and foremost, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any workout routine. Once you have the green light, you can begin with gentle exercises to build your strength. Warm up those muscles before you start any exercises to prevent injury. Start with exercises that target your core, such as pelvic floor exercises and gentle abdominal work. These exercises will help you to rebuild strength and stability in your abdominal muscles. Remember to listen to your body and take it slow. You may not be able to do the same workouts you did before pregnancy, and that's okay. Take breaks when needed and always prioritize your well-being. As you progress, you can gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. Incorporate exercises that focus on the whole body, such as squats, lunges, and modified push-ups. Remember to engage your core throughout these exercises to strengthen your abdominal muscles. Remember to include cardio exercises in your routine. Brisk walking, swimming, or cycling are great options to increase your heart rate, remember, and burn calories. Start with shorter sessions and gradually increase the duration as your fitness level improves. Lastly, remember to give yourself grace and be patient with your progress. It took 9 months to grow a baby, so it's natural that it will take time to regain your fitness level. Celebrate every small achievement and trust the process. Thanks for watching this video on reclaiming your fitness after pregnancy. We hope these tips are helpful for you to remember. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more fitness advice and workouts. Your health and happiness are our priority.